Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the K10 Mini 4K Drone 8K Professional 3-camera wide-angle optical flow localization obstacle avoidance RC quadcopter. This is a pretty impressive drone for its price, and it's packed with features that make it a great choice for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. Features. Here are some of the key features of the K10 Mini drone. 8K professional camera with 3 lenses. This drone has a front camera, a vertical camera, and an overhead camera, which gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of the types of shots you can capture. Wide-angle lens. The wide-angle lens on the K10 Mini drone allows you to capture more of the scene in your frame, which is great for landscape photography and videography. Optical flow localization. Optical flow localization helps the drone to maintain a stable hover, even in windy conditions. Obstacle avoidance. The K10 Mini drone has 4-way obstacle avoidance, which helps to prevent collisions with objects. Remote control. The drone comes with a remote control that has a range of up to 100 meters. Flight time. The K10 Mini drone has a flight time of up to 15 minutes on a single charge. Unboxing. Let's start by unboxing the K10 Mini drone. In the box, you'll find the drone itself, the remote control, a battery, a charging cable, for spare blades, a protective frame, and a screwdriver. Setup. Setting up the K10 Mini drone is very easy. Simply attach the blades to the drone, charge the battery, and insert it into the drone. Then, pair the remote control with the drone and you're ready to fly. Flying. Flying the K10 Mini drone is very easy and intuitive. The controls are responsive and the drone is very stable in the air. Even if you're a beginner pilot, you'll be able to fly the K10 Mini drone with ease. Camera. The camera on the K10 Mini drone is very good for a drone in this price range. The image quality is sharp and clear, and the colors are accurate. The wide-angle lens is also a great feature, as it allows you to capture more of the scene in your frame. Obstacle avoidance. The obstacle avoidance feature on the K10 Mini drone works very well. The drone is able to detect obstacles in front of it and to the sides, and it will automatically avoid them. This is a great feature for beginners, as it helps to prevent collisions. Flight time. The K10 Mini drone has a flight time of up to 15 minutes on a single charge. This is a good flight time for a drone in this price range. However, it's important to note that the actual flight time will vary depending on the flying conditions. Overall, the K10 Mini 4K Drone 8K Professional 3-camera wide-angle optical flow localization obstacle avoidance RC quadcopter is a great drone for the price. It's easy to fly, has a good camera, and a long flight time. If you're looking for a budget-friendly drone with a lot of features, the K10 Mini is a great option. Here are some additional ideas for topics that you could cover in your video. How to use the different camera modes on the K10 Mini drone. How to edit your footage using the K10 Mini drone app. How to fly the K10 Mini drone in different weather conditions. Tips for taking great photos and videos with the K10 Mini drone. A comparison of the K10 Mini drone to other drones in the same price range. You could also include some flight footage from the K10 Mini drone in your video, to give viewers a better idea of what it's like to fly. And don't forget to mention any special deals or discounts that you may have on the K10 Mini drone.